What's up, trainer?
What's up?
We're at Einstein's right now, eating some breakfast. Alright, we're done at eating some breakfast now. We're at Trent's house. We're just hanging out. We're in his room, his beautiful room, as you can tell. Yeah. Is that 3? For the dinner, right? Dang it. Trent, thank you for having me. Yep. It was fun spending time with you, Trent. So I'm back home now. So this morning when I started this video, I did not make an intro really. I just wasn't in the mood to. So I just kind of started it. But anyways, me and Trent went to go eat breakfast at a bagel place. And we went to his house and we just hung out. I'm about to leave in about 20 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and get ready right now. I missed the Cisco time from the back. You know, we're in a rain delay right now. We gotta vacate.
Hey, I like seeing you.
Alright, so I'm back home now, and they ended up canceling both our games tonight. So I'm back home pretty early now. I don't know what I'm going to do for the rest of the night. I'm probably going to go hit up at the cages and or hang out with my friends. I'll let you guys know because I don't really know what I'm doing right now.
Watch out for the bugs.
You know, pro fisherman right here, just a pro fishing tip. You want to make sure that it's on the hook or else you don't have it properly. And as you can see, I properly hooked it with some hot dog. And I am the pro fisherman.
There we go.
Let me get a picture of this, buddy.
Brandon, Blake, and his brother, we're out here fishing, and we're trying to catch some stuff at our pond. Blake's already caught 1. Me and Brandon and Ryan, 0. We're gonna continue.
On the vlog.
What's your third one?
This is my second one.
What's your third?
Well, actually, my first one took the freaking hook with it.
Blake has number 2.
We actually got some surgery on the turtle.
Thank you.
Alright, what's going on, guys? You know, a little update. You know, we went fishing, but now we're going to McDonald's. There's the man Carter himself.
I'm the man Trent calls himself.
Blake Rogers right here. Let me get it close.
Yup.
There he is, his little brother. So,
Blake Rogers on YouTube, boy.
So yeah, should have added me on the Snap at BKSwaggyP0, BKSWAGGY.
There's a killer video on there.
P0, I think. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe.
I'm getting one that
Coming.
So we're walking back from McDonald's now. You want to say anything?
Nah, I'm good.
Alright, he's good, but we're walking back from McDonald's now, and we're departing.
All right, see you, Carter.
See you later, Brandon.
See you guys.